If you've been waiting for the next big flagship phone in 2025, the OnePlus 15 might just be the most exciting leak we've seen yet, because according to fresh reports the device could launch earlier than expected in the US, possibly as soon as November, and it's shaping up to be OnePlus's boldest step forward, with leaks pointing to a completely redesigned square camera bump, a new range of colors, and some hardware upgrades that could make even Samsung and Apple nervous. Starting with performance, the OnePlus 15 is rumored to run the brand new Snapdragon 8 Elite General chipset, which promises huge boosts in both speed and power efficiency, making it perfect for heavy multitasking, mobile gaming, and of course AI features that are becoming a must-have in smartphones. And when you combine that with up to 16 GB of RAM, you're looking at a device that can rival any 2025 flagship on raw performance alone. But performance is just one part of the story, because battery life looks like a game changer this year too, with leaks pointing toward a massive 7,000 mAh battery, easily one of the largest in any mainstream phone, and if that turns out true it could finally solve one of the biggest complaints US users have with their phones: running out of juice halfway through the day. Add to that OnePlus's super fast charging tech, which could mean hours of usage from just minutes of charging, and you've got a phone designed for people who are always on the go. On the display side, leaks suggest a 165Hz AMOLED panel, brighter and smoother than what we've seen on the OnePlus 12 and even some Samsung Galaxy models, which would make this phone an absolute dream for watching content, gaming, and scrolling, especially for US buyers who love vibrant displays and fast refresh rates. The design also looks like a major step forward, with OnePlus moving to a bold square camera island that gives the phone a more premium, recognizable look, and early leaks show multiple finishes, including black, silver, and possibly a striking green colorway that could make it stand out against the sea of iPhones and Galaxies in the market. Speaking of cameras, while specs aren't fully confirmed, the OnePlus 15 is expected to pack upgraded Hasselblad sensors, including a 50 megapixels main lens and improved low-light photography, plus AI-powered image processing for sharper, clearer shots, something US buyers will care about since camera quality is often the deciding factor in phone upgrades. On the software side, OxygenOS 15 is rumored to ship with the OnePlus 15, optimized for AI-driven productivity and tighter integration with Google services, which is a huge selling point for US audiences who prefer clean, fast Android experiences without the heavy bloat of some competitors. Pricing is still a question mark, but early whispers suggest OnePlus will try to undercut Samsung and Apple while still delivering premium features, which could make this phone one of the best value flagships in the US market. The big question, though, is whether OnePlus can get enough carrier support in the United States, because that has historically limited its reach compared to Samsung or Apple. But if the leaks of an earlier US launch are true, we could see OnePlus making a stronger push than ever. So, should you wait for the OnePlus 15? If the leaks about the Snapdragon 8 Elite chip, 7,000 mAh battery, and 165Hz display turn out to be true, this could be one of the most powerful, longest-lasting, and smoothest Android experiences of 2025, and with its rumored early launch in the US, it might be the first major flagship to set the tone for next year. Let me know in the comments. Are you more excited about the performance, the battery, or the design, and do you think the OnePlus 15 has what it takes to compete against the iPhone 16 and the Galaxy S25 in the US market?